Hi, my name is Tan. I'm an independent certified financial planner practitioner. I've done over 1,000 insurance policy reviews with clients and have come up with a list of questions that are important to understanding existing life insurance policy. I'm making this clip because I want to share the questions with you so you can better understand your current life insurance policies. First, ask yourself, what is the purpose of this insurance policy? Do I still need the coverage? Do I need more or less coverage? Once you have established the purpose of the life insurance policy, it is time to talk to your current financial advisor or call customer service and ask them these questions so you can better understand your policy. What is the address, phone numbers, and email you have on record? Who owns the policy? Who's the insured? Who are the beneficiaries you have on record? Take this opportunity to update any information you need, and if a form needs to be signed, you can ask the representative to mail it to you. What is the grace period on this policy? A grace period is how many days do you have to pay for the premium you miss. What is the reinstatement clause on this policy? The reinstatement clause is your policy that is not active because you forgot to pay premiums. You can have the policy active again by paying for all the missing premium plus interest. This is a big disadvantage because you may have to go through underwriting again. The key difference between a grace period and reinstatement clause is that the grace period is when the policy is still active and reinstatement clause is when the policy no longer active. What is the current rating health class? Is there a better rating health class than I'm currently getting? What do I need to do to qualify for best rating health class? What is the original death benefit? What is the current death benefit? Is my death benefit fixed or variable? Is the death benefit guaranteed? If so, for how long? What is the current cash value? How can my policy build cash value? If I want to take out a loan from my policy, what is the maximum amount I can take out? What is the interest rate on the loan? Be careful when taking out a loan against your policy. If you don't do it right, it can blow up on you, which means your policy could be canceled and you may have to pay taxes. Does my policy generate dividends? If so, what are the dividend options? If your policy is linked to the market, you want to know what options are available, such as the performance and expenses of the investment funds. You definitely will want to talk to a skilled, licensed professional when there is any investment components in the life insurance policy. Are there surrender charges if I cancel the policy? What is the date I'm out of surrender charges? What are the current benefits and rider on my policy, if any? Can you explain to me how my benefits and rider work? And can you also mail me a copy of the description so I can keep it for record? Can I drop the benefit and riders I currently have, and how would that affect my premiums? What benefits and rider can I add now without going to underwriter, and how would that affect my premiums? Are the premium fixed or flexible? Will the premium change in the future? What is the total amount I pay on this policy? Can you walk me through the claim process? If I like to end with asking for a premium schedule if it is a term policy. If it is a permanent policy, ask for a copy of the in-force ledger, which is also called in-force illustration. An in-force illustration is a document of your insurance policy as it stands now with future projection based on assumption. Here's how you ask the question. Can you mail me a copy of the in-force ledger based on what I'm currently doing right now? If it is a permanent policy, you want to get different hypothetical returns. There are gross returns and net returns. The difference is gross return is before fees and net return is after fees. Depending on the type of policy is how you want the in-force ledger to be run. After you receive the in-force ledger, you can compare it with the original proposal, the one that you signed when you first bought the policy. If you don't have one, you can call customer service to mail or email you a copy. Remember to take this time and ask questions on one policy at a time if you have multiple policies. Document the conversations and place it in a safe place alongside the policy. I hope this clip was informative and practical. If you can think of other questions, please comment below so we can all benefit from the question. Until next time, this is Tan, your trusted advisor.